Kia Sportage is equipped with a welcome mirror and light feature that adds an extra touch of convenience and style to your driving experience. Whenever your key fob is within 5 feet from the door handles, the door handle lights will illuminate and your side mirrors will gracefully open, welcoming you to your Sportage. Now I will show you how you can activate or deactivate this feature in your vehicle. To begin, make sure your ignition is turned on or your engine is running. Next, press the menu button located on your steering wheel. This will bring up the user settings menu on your instrument cluster display. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Convenience. Once you have highlighted it, press the OK button to enter the menu. Within the Convenience menu, you will see various options to enhance your driving experience. Look for the setting called Welcome Mirror Light. Once you have selected the option, press the OK button on the steering wheel to activate or deactivate the feature. If the checkbox in front of the feature is filled, it means the feature is active. If the box is empty, the feature is deactivated. The welcome light will not turn on and the side mirrors will not open when you go near the door. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can customize the welcome mirror and light feature in your Kia Sportage to suit your preference. Thanks for watching and consider subscribing to Wheels Joint for more helpful car tips.